Meet the Austins. They need a new roof, but don't know if it's safe to call a roofer right now, or if any are even open. Then they remember the roofer their friends trust, First Capital Certified Metal Roofing. They remember First Capital has won the Best of Service Award 4 times for taking exceptional care of their clients. They call First Capital Certified Metal Roofing and find out they can get their roof replaced right away. And no one needs to come inside their home. They do not need to come in contact with anyone. They also learn that metal roofing lasts for a really long time, longer than asphalt shingles, is environmentally friendly, will save them on energy costs, will improve their property value. Looks amazing. The Austins are thrilled with their new metal shingle roof and very happy to have chosen First Capital Certified Metal Roofing. Contact First Capital Certified Metal Roofing in Austin, Texas to get your roof replaced right away while remaining safe.